Hi, today I want to talk about a skin concern that we get asked about most. On Instagram, on our page, you send us emails, and this is acne and oily skin, skin that is prone to breakouts, and you ask us, what if I have oily skin, what do you recommend? Or I get occasional breakouts, I get them on certain areas of my face or body, or you might even have like acne. So this is the question that we get asked the most. And interestingly, a lot of bloggers or influencers that we work with actually have oily skin and breakouts or occasional acne. And what we found has worked the best is our balancing face cream with CBD. This is a great moisturizer for oily skin that you want to balance naturally, and CBD is the natural balancer, harmonizer of your skin. It will reduce the sebum production, which is the main cause of breakouts or clogged pores or acne. So this is going to be a great natural non-drying skin with no nasties. So the bloggers that have tested this and did pre and after shots, they have amazing results, and they send us thank you notes and are really grateful for this product. So if you have oily skin, this is the one to try out, and you can use it under your makeup. You can use it in the morning, in the evening. It will not feel heavy. It has a really nice light texture. It has beautiful orange flowers scent because it's based on orange flower water hydrolate and hemp hydrolate, on hemp seed oil, and of course the CBD cannabinoid. What works really great with this face cream is the Hemptouch Purifying Face Cleanser based on hemp hydrolate and hemp seed oil. It is really a non-drying cleanser, and you can take your all the impurities away with it. You can take your makeup off with it. You can just, clean your skin in the evening, in the morning, whenever you feel it's kind of oily, but it will not dry out your skin to kind of force your skin into producing the sebum in the pores too much. So it's going to balance your skin naturally. And what's really great, I think, with Hemptouch, because we're trying to kind of cover both problems in a gift set. We have this really nice gift set prepared, and if you buy both products together, you really save up on money because it only comes at €45.90. €45.90. So if you buy both products together, you really save on. You really get a good you save money with it. And it comes kind of gift wrapped like this, so it's a great Christmas gift for somebody who has maybe young skin, oily skin impurities, or maybe just really big fans of CBD skincare. So this is a really nice gift set. So thank you.